Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom, swappable cameras. We'll have that coming right up. You may have seen recently I have done a couple of videos on the DJI Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual and the new camera that everyone's talking about. One of the comments that I've received quite a bit of was that DJI did not announce the swappable cameras at the launch event, but announced that later. Let's watch a clip from the See the Bigger Picture event with Michael Oldenburg, who made the presentation.
And in the coming months, our customer service team will introduce a gimbal and camera replacement service so that you can switch the camera on the drone without having to buy an entirely new one.
Okay, Michael clearly states that this would be available, the swappable cameras would be available for a fee through DJI in the coming months. But the important thing to note here is that this was announced at the launch event. Question of the day. Would you pay to have your camera swapped if you had a DJI Mavic Pro 2 or Zoom? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about my channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.